Suppose you have wonderfully passed your last winter vacation. It gave you much pleasure and enjoyment. Your friend Nihim is interested to know how you have passed it. Now, write a letter to him describing how you have passed your last winter vacation. মনে করো, গত শীতের ছুটি তুমি চমৎকারভাবে কাটিয়েছ। এটি তোমাকে খুব আনন্দ দিয়েছে। তোমার বন্ধু নিহিম এ ব্যাপারে জানতে খুবই আগ্রহী। এখন তোমার গত শীতের ছুটি কিভাবে কাটলো তাকে চিঠি লিখে তা জানাও। আনস মিল রোড, পিও, মেন পোস্ট অফিস, ডিস্ট, দিনাজপুর, 7ই মার্চ 2025। My dear Nihim, hope this letter will find you hale and hearty. In your last letter, you've showed your interest to know how I passed my last winter vacation. Well, for your interest, I'm writing to you. I've passed this vacation delightfully. I went to the countryside and enjoyed the sights and sounds of nature there. I ate different kinds of seasonal fruits. I drank fresh date juice. Going to the riverside, I enjoyed the sunset. I took part in various village games during the winter season. Really, I passed the last winter vacation with great joy and delight. It gave me much pleasure along with sweet memories. Love to you and respect to your parents. Yours ever, Mithan. তারা চিহ্ন draw an envelope and write full addresses of the writer and the receiver.